step into the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include intermittent wipers, stability control, trip computer, rear bench seat, security system, passenger airbag sensor, and front side airbag. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.